Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to this week's video blog here at California Realty Training. My name is Robert Rico and I'm hoping you're having a great day wherever you may be. Now what we want to do today is this. We want to discuss the difference, or is there a difference between closing costs and a down payment? A lot of people think it's the same thing. You'll be representing buyers sometimes, and that's okay because that will also earn you commissions. It's not just about listings. If you represent a buyer, you'll also earn a commission when you close a deal. Now, buyers are gonna have to, of course, come in with some money. Now, do we call that closing costs or do we call that a down payment? Very simple. Ready? Here it goes. I'm gonna break it down for you to make it nice and easy so you're comfortable with this and you can explain this to your buyers when they ask you the question, how much is the down payment? How much is the closing cost? Yada, yada, yada. So, this is how it works. You find your buyer their dream house. You make the offer gets accepted. Yay, hallelujah, your offer got accepted, you open escrow. Now, of course, you'll have to inform the buyer's lender as to the offer being accepted. So the lender's also excited. Yay, you got your offer accepted. It's time for the lender to get rocking and rolling on this loan. Got it? Now, the lender's gonna expect the buyer to come in with two bags of money. Let me explain. One bag of money is gonna have closing costs. The other bag of money is gonna have the down payment. They're completely separate. Let's get that straight. Two bags of money, completely separate. Let's go over here to this closing cost bag. You with me? Lender's gonna say, okay, in order for us to close this loan or to give you this loan, you gotta pay the closing costs in this bag. Now, what are the closing costs? Closing costs are fees that are associated with a loan. Got it? Fees that are associated with a loan. For example, many lenders are gonna expect for you to put in this bag prepaid taxes, prepaid homeowners insurance, escrow fees, title fees, origination fees, points that the lender's charging, all that stuff, all these fees are going in here. You with me? Now the question then is, well, how much typically is this bag? How much do we put in this bag? Ready? Here it comes. Well, typically, it could be anywhere from 2 to 5% of that purchase price. Now do the math. If it's $1 million house and they're gonna lend you $1 million, 2 to 5% is from $20,000 to $50,000. Ready? Take my advice. If you have 3% put aside for this bag, you're good to go. Typically 3%, it'll be just 3% of that loan amount will cover your closing cost bag. You with me? Gone. Now let's go to the second bag. The second bag is the down payment. Now the lender is going to require the borrower to also come in with a bag that has a down payment. Now this down payment depends on what type of loan the buyer gets. Now what am I talking about? When the borrower, and the lender were sitting down at their office having a cup of coffee, chit-chatting, the borrower and the lender decided what type of loan the borrower was gonna get. It could be a conventional loan, which is 20% down. That would be the down payment. It could be an FHA loan, which is only 3.5% down. That would be the down payment. It could be a VA loan, which is 0 down. That would be the down payment. You with me? When it's to satisfy the closing costs, people need to get paid, escrow fees, title fees, all that like we discussed before. And this one is solely for the lender. Got it? Hope this helps you out, huh? Just don't get confused that they're both the same bag, because they're not. You got it? Hope this helps you out. Listen, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. In the meantime, take all of this knowledge, take it straight ahead into your career. Make things happen, huh? We're rooting for you. Have a great day. We'll see you next week.